guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me again. I want to check out these two kits that I got from a friend. Two kits that I have no idea what year they are or anything, because they're literally in a different language. They do have the American mixer truck, logger truck, easy to assemble plastic model. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping with this video that I'm going to get some help. Paul Olson is the one who sent me these kits. I mentioned his name on the haul that I showed them on. But these two kits, basic as can be, but very cool. I'm going to show you one. So again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but they had the Challenger that I built. It had a place where an electric motor and batteries and all that stuff could be put in there. So it's almost like it was a toy. So when I open this one up, you'll see what I'm saying. It's really cool. I think these are older than what I'm thinking, though. I think they are. If I were to guess, I would say 70s. Somewhere in the 70s, possibly. It says kit number 150, but then it's like number 2, and this one is number 3. So I looked it up on ScaleMates, couldn't find anything. But I'm going to open the box up. Let's check it out. So first of all, if you can't read Chinese, you better be able to look at pictures really well, because they are very Chinese, or not Chinese, Japanese. I'm sorry. If that could have been an insult, I'm not trying to insult anybody, but I believe it's Japanese, not Chinese. But it's very simple. How it builds. But this is what's the coolest thing. Is it's got a little wind up. I mean, this is why I think it's older than I'm thinking. It's got a little wind up motor that you put in it, just for, like, not a friction motor, but you wind it up and you got a little spring, and then the truck would drive. How cool is that? And it looks like it was stamped out of a Coke can or something. The metal that's it's stamped from has color in it, and that's pretty neat. So it's very unique to the fact that it was probably a toy, made to be a child's toy that was a kit that you built. But this is the cement mixer, and again, it's very basic, but I think it's really neat. The tires. Excuse me. The tires are, let's see, so they actually, it looks like you actually use their rubber. Let me lighten this up a little bit. They are rubber, but it looks like you use the actual rubber. Looks like it stays in there. I think the hubcap fits. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. It just shows that, yeah, it's just the hubcap. Fits over the top of the tire. Goes up in, or goes over there. Now the detail as far as the wheels go, it doesn't look like let me get this focus there right. It looks like you'd have detailed wheels, but I don't think it does. I think this is pretty much the extent of the detail, is you actually have a rubber tire. Very, very rudimentary, is that the right word? Crude as far as the mold the tires were made in. And then you have the hubcap, I guess, that fits over that. Not 100% sure. There's another tire stuck in there. But there's the body of the truck, whatever kind of truck it is. And it doesn't even resemble the truck, which makes this even more neat. It's like, this looks like one of those, reminds me of a Russian truck, but it would be probably Japanese. It's got a curved nose. Looks like the roof line is curved. It's got this bad boy is as square as an ice cream truck. So it doesn't resemble the actual truck on the box at all. And then the grill doesn't resemble it at all. Zero resemblance. But you did kind of have an idea of what you were getting. You're getting a mixer. That kind of resembles it. That kind of resembles the mixer. Here's the back of the truck bed. Here's the chute that would go on the back of the where the cement would be put in. I'm assuming it had a chute for the I don't see one. This is the back side of the mixer. So there's your mixer. Got the big gear on it. But yeah, I don't see any any chute or anything like that. So it would just basically, when you build it, it would just, the back of the that's it, back of the mixer. But that's okay. Yeah, because these two little pins would correspond with these two. Alrighty. There is one. I'll put these tires in a bag, so I don't want the tires to, I don't know if they're made out of that type of rubber that will melt into other parts, but I don't want that to happen. Now let's look at this other one, this logger truck it says. Series number 3, kit number 150, series number 3. He is really happy doing his job. Look at him smiling at the camera. He looks like he has a suit and tie on in that logger truck. Disclaimer, this does not come with logs. Alright, here we go. Again, unless you're fluent at Japanese, the pictures are going to be very beneficial to you. This one has not been even taken out of the plastic. Would it be terrible if I opened it? It's the same exact truck. Okay, so now this truck, you'll see the big grill has a rounded roof line, but it's not the same truck as this one. Totally different models of trucks. This one's got the external headlights mounted on the fenders. This one has integrated 4 headlights in the grill. But interestingly enough, what they send with this is it's exactly like that other one, like the blue one. Exactly the same. And the truck body appears to be identical to that one. So these two trucks are exactly the same. This is cool. I'm gonna leave this in the plastic. It does have the stake sides for the bed. I see those, and it's got the little wind-up motor still wrapped in its plastic along with the tires. Pristine, not touched by human hands since the last Japanese person packaged this. It has this inside staple. It has stapled to the box here. Inside, it's just a plastic or a. You know what that is? I get it now. This would have been if you wanted to, maybe when they're on the shelf. So this bag, you know, if it had a hole in the top of this part, you could hang it on like a pin. So this was like a bagged kit that they took the back, because it's on both sides. It has, and it's folded across and stapled. So it's almost like it could have been a bagged kit, but they took it and put it in a box and stapled it to the end of the box. That's really interesting. Paul Olson, thank you for sending me these. I'm kind of like asking for some help, I guess, in a roundabout way. Can anybody tell me the year of these things? Again, I'm thinking maybe 70s. Especially with the cool little price tag sticker there of 150 yen. Looks like to me that's what that Y with the 2 lines through it. I believe that's yen. I don't know how much 150 yen is worth today. I'm at a loss. I don't know. I'm asking you guys for help. And Paul, if you know anything about these, hey, let me know. You're the guy who sent them to me. Maybe you're like the same, just like me. Like, I ain't got a clue. But they had a series. They had a dump, mixer, a little crane, flatbed or a box truck, gas truck, That was 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. So I've got number 3, and then I've got number 2, the mixer. So I thought these are pretty cool. I thought you might enjoy seeing these. Again, if you know anything about these kits, please reach out and let me know, because I am very interested to know the age of these. And does any of you have any of the rest of the series? 1 through 6, it looks like. Do you guys have any of these? Have you built one? I mean, this is super simple. You could literally, if you had paint, you could probably get this thing built in like what? If you just put it together, half an hour, maybe, not even that much. It may be a snap kit, but I think it's a glue kit. But you know what? I don't care. It's a cool piece of model history, and I'm going to enjoy looking at these. And I don't know, maybe I might get a wild hair and try to put one together. I don't know. It's very cool. Thank you, Paul Olson. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. If you hadn't already subscribed, I appreciate it if you'd go hit that subscription button. It really helps me out. Facebook group down in the bottom of the in the description below. Go check out the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. Maybe I need to put these on there, and someone probably would be able to tell me all about them. There's so much knowledge to be gained by going on the Facebook group. If you have a problem, I see a lot of people that are getting back into the model building hobby. They said, hey, I've been out of it for 30 years, 40 years. I'm getting back into it. What do I need? That Model Car Videos Facebook group is a great place to go and ask those questions, because you have a plethora of people over there that have way more knowledge than this cat, and they could tell you just what you need. I can point you to Hobby Nut Models, linked in the description below. And if you need something for getting back into the hobby, like paint, like glue, like model kits, like sanding, like all these things that's associated with our hobby, go check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description below, and you can find those things. Thank you to my supporters on Patreon. You guys are great. I really appreciate it. Can't wait till the next live stream. Let me know about these 2 kits, guys. Do you know anything? Help me out. I don't know. I'm at a loss. Thanks, Paul Olson, for sending them. They're going to look good on the shelf. Maybe they're going to be a mystery forever. I don't know. But you guys take care, and we will see you on the next one. See you later.